Hello everybody, I'm LA Little and this is today's short take. All week, a little bit last week, we've been highlighting portfolios, ETFs that have been doing well. Um, of those, another one that's a little bit under the radar is this one by the MSCI, it's the Information Technology. It's really dominated by Apple, Microsoft, and Google. It's the big cap tech stocks. Had a big push up here if you're looking at it on a monthly back in February. Since then, it's just been kind of, gradually trying to climb, volumes tailing off on it. Pull it back to a weekly, you can kind of see that big bump up back in February on volume, and then really nothing since then. And pulling it back here on a daily, you can kind of see the sideways action, this big range trade. Kind of mimics what you see elsewhere, except for here you're just really in the big macro, technology stocks. It has like 400 plus holdings, but these are the biggest: Microsoft, Apple, and Google. It's got a very low expense ratio, like 0.12. If you're looking for big cap exposure, this is not a bad choice. It's been doing well. In recap, if you look back at what we've talked about, we've talked about the stealth market in the regional banks. We've talked about the SOX. We've talked about, hack, the security stocks. There's been a number of ETFs that we've highlighted over this week as well. Cut is another one. If you want exposure in this market, you need to go find exposure in the strong sectors. That was the reason for highlighting some of these this week. Hopefully that's of benefit to you. And that is the end of the short take and the week. Have a great one. Take care.